Hi, I'm Paul Sadler, CEO of Presbyterian Aged Care. Right now, we're facing an unprecedented situation. The current coronavirus or COVID-19 pandemic is at a level not seen since the outbreak of the Spanish flu in 1918. Many of us are feeling anxious or scared about what's happening. At PAC, we care for people who are among the most vulnerable to the effects of the virus, older Australians. And our top priority is doing everything we can to keep them safe and well, along with our valued staff who care for them. At PAC, we are running an essential service for older people. Currently, we are very fortunate that no PAC service has been directly impacted by a case of COVID-19, and we hope and pray that continues. If it does happen in the future, we will implement lockdown procedures as per our infection control manual and work in conjunction with the Public Health Unit. Please be assured that we have a detailed COVID-19 plan in place that will swing into action to protect our consumers and staff should this occur. We are following Department of Health advice at all times and have adjusted the way we run our aged care services to minimise the risks of spreading the coronavirus. Changes have been made in our residential care homes, such as visiting arrangements, and certain types of services have been suspended, like large group activities, which carry increased risk. I want to take this opportunity to thank PAC staff for the commitment and dedication they are showing at this difficult time. Unlike other sectors, PAC does not expect to have to lay off staff. Because we are an essential service, we are anticipating we will actually need more staff rather than less to maintain our services. Along with the health of our consumers, the health and safety of our employees and volunteers is a top priority. I want you to know that PAC's executive team is working tirelessly to ensure your safety. We understand there are additional risks of transmission of COVID-19 in the current situation, and we're taking every possible step to minimise those risks. We are working with the government to make sure that adequate levels of personal protective equipment are available if we need them. All staff must complete the infection control training we've been running throughout March. And of course, staff should continue to attend work unless they have symptoms which would exclude them. We also want our staff to know that head office staff are there to support them. While we are practicing social distancing as much as possible, local services can continue to access all the support they need from head office teams such as care and quality, finance, HR and IT. If we can help over the phone or via email, we will. As a faith-based organisation, in challenging times like these, we draw inspiration from Scripture. Among the passages that comes to mind is Philippians 4:6. Do not be anxious about anything, but in everything, by prayer and supplication with thanksgiving, let your requests be made known to God. It is easy to feel overwhelmed with fear or concern for ourselves or our own families. But at PAC, we have to think first and foremost about the needs of the older people we care for and who are dependent on us. To that end, we should all pay heed to the words of the Apostle Paul in Philippians 2:4. Let each of you look not only to his own interests, but also to the interests of others. Fans will remember that "Don't panic" is the phrase on the front cover of the book Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. Whatever happened, the Hitchhiker's Guide would tell you what to do. In a similar way, it's really important that we remain calm and focused on our job of caring for older people. As the Apostle Peter says, cast all your anxieties on God because he cares for you. I encourage you to please take care of yourself, your friends and family, and the community around you. I am confident that at the end of this, PAC will emerge safer, stronger, and more focused than ever on our mission of caring for older people. Thank you, and keep well.